Okay, this video is to give mental clarity to a lot of y'all. I'm picking up on some people who literally are about to be filthy, stanky rich. Literally. Literally. Y'all are currently building on this right now. So this is for whoever it's for. You get it, you get it. There's somebody that's planning some things right now. Y'all are planning this 10 of Pentacles energy, which is definitely how to be rich. I'm picking up on some people who are literally looking to get into a new tax bracket, and you're going to do that. I got the 4 of Pentacles here. You're going to have so much money under your feet, in your hand, above your head, around you, in your pocket, in the glove, wherever. Okay? And this is going to fulfill you emotionally. This is everything you've been looking for. Okay? You're going to have a legacy. Same day readings available, next day readings available.